एक्टिव वॉइस, पैसिव वॉइस, इस सिलसिले में प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को हम डिस्कस करेंगे। नंबर 1, ही प्लेज फुटबॉल, सो ही इज अ सब्जेक्ट, फुटबॉल इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, तो ये रिप्लेसमेंट इसकी होगी। फुटबॉल इज बीइंग प्लेड बाय हिम, फुटबॉल इज प्लेड बाय हिम, फुटबॉल प्लेड बाय हिम, फुटबॉल वाज प्लेड बाय हिम, सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन, दैट इज फुटबॉल इज प्लेड बाय हिम। तो यहाँ पर जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज, एम और आर जो है वो यूज किया जाएगा। नंबर 2, द हॉर्स पुल्स द कार्ट, दिस इज आल्सो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, तो द कार्ट इज पुल्ड बाय द हॉर्स, द कार्ट इज पुल्ड बीइंग बाय द हॉर्स, द कार्ट इज पुल्ड बाय द हॉर्स, द कार्ट वाज पुल्ड बाय द हॉर्स, सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन, क्योंकि प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है इज एम आर यूज किया जाता है और इसके साथ बाय का यूज होगा, थर्ड फॉर्म वर्ब यूज की जाएगी, सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पर और ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट की जगह पर आएगा। नंबर 3, आई ईट मैंगोज, मैंगोज इज ईटन बाय मी, मैंगोज आर ईटन बाय मी, मैंगोज आर बीइंग ईटन बाय मी, मैंगोज आर बीइंग एट बाय मी, so B is the right option, that is mangoes are eaten by me. Number 4, the washerwoman washes clothes, so this is also present indefinite, clothes are washed by the washerman, clothes are being washed by the washerwoman, clothes are washed by the washerwoman, so C is the right option, clothes helping verb, wash third form verb, the use of by, and here is subject, actually जो subject था वो object बन गया। Number 5, the teacher teaches me, this is also present indefinite, I is taught by the teacher, I am taught by the teacher, I am taught being the teacher, I am taught by the teacher by me, so B is the right option, I am taught by the teacher, so here must be helping verb am according to I. Number 6, she takes tea, she is subject, tea is object, takes is the verb, so according to present indefinite, subject will be replaced by the object, subject ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आएगा, ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे जाएगा, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म आएगी और देयर विल बी द यूज ऑफ बाय, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज एम एंड आर, सो टी इज बीइंग टेकन बाय मी, टी इज टेकन बाय हर, टी इज बीइंग टेकन बाय मी, नो वन, सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन, टी इज taken by her. Number 7, this is a negative sentence, but that is in present indefinite, he does not eat apple, an apple is eaten by him, not, an apple is not being eaten by him, an apple is not eaten by him, an apple is not eaten being by him, so C is the right option, an apple is not eaten by him. Number 8, he does not eat apples, this is also a negative sentence, apples are eaten by him, apples are not eaten by him, apples are not eaten by him, apples are not being eaten by him, so C is the right option, that is apples are not eaten by him. Here subject is replaced by object, the use of helping verb are according to apples, not to show the negative sentence, eaten the use of third form verb, the use of by. Number 9, do we need milk, this is an interrogative or interrogative sentence, all we needed milk, is milk being needed by us, is milk need by us, is milk being needed by us, so यहाँ पर do we need milk, are we needed milk, do we need milk, this is interrogative or interrogative sentence. We is the subject, milk is the object, so milk will be replaced by subject, or subject will be at the place of milk, or there must be the third form of need, which is needed. Are we needed milk? Is milk being needed by us? Is milk needed by us? So C is the right option. C is the right option. The boy buys a pencil. This is also present indefinite. A pencil is bought by the boy. A pencil is being bought by the boy. A pencil is bought by him. A pencil is bought being by him. So a pencil is bought by the boy. That is the right option. The peon rings the bell. ये भी present indefinite है. Peon is the subject, bell is your object. Replace करेंगे और bell के मुताबिक helping verb आएगा is, और ring की third form verb use करेंगे. The bell is being rung by the peon. The bell is rung by the peon. The bell being is rung by the peon. The bell is rung the peon by him. So B is the right option. The bell is rung by the peon. 12. Do they play cricket? This is interrogative sentence. Being cricket played by them. Is cricket played by them? Is cricket being played by them? Is cricket played being them? So B is the right option. That is cricket played by them? Number 13. He does not eat rice. Rice is not eaten by him. Rice are not eaten by him. Rice is being eaten by him. Rice is not being eaten by him. So B is the right option, and here must be helping verb according to rice. Rice is a collective noun and it is the collection, so here must be plural verb. Number 14. She presses clothes. Clothes are pressed by her. Clothes are being pressed by her. Clothes are pressed by her. Clothes are pressed her by. So A is the right option. Clothes are pressed by her. 15. The cook cooks the food. So the options are the food cooked by the cook. The food is cooked by the cook. The food is being cooked by the cook. The food are cooked by the cook. So B is the right option. The food is cooked by the cook. इसमें हम देखेंगे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में एक्टिव और पैसिव वॉइस के हवाले से, और इसको एक दफा देख लेते हैं कि जब हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में एक्टिव से पैसिव वॉइस में चेंजेस करते हैं तो व्हाट आर द चेंजेस. सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा या रिप्लेस होगा. ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट की जगह पर रिप्लेस होगा. वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज की जाएगी. यूज ऑफ बाय आएगा, और इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो इज, बीइंग, एम बीइंग और आर बीइंग जो है वो यूज किए जाएंगे. द सेंटेंस इज आई एम टेकिंग टी. टी इज टेकन बाय मी. टी इज बीइंग टेकन बाय मी. टी आर बीइंग टेकन बाय मी. टी इज टेकन बीइंग बाय मी. So B is the right option. T is being taken by me. 17. We are writing a book. This is also present continuous. A book is being written by us. A book is written us by us. A book is being written. A book is being written us by. So a book is being written by us is the right option. 18th. They are sharpening a pencil. A pencil are sharpened by them. A pencil is being sharpened by them. A pencil is being by sharpened. No one. So B is the right option. A pencil is being sharpened by them. 19th. The cat is catching a rat. This is also present continuous. A rat is caught by the cat. A rat is caught being by the rat. A rat is being caught by the cat. So this is the right option. C is the right option. That is, a rat is being caught by the cat. Sentence number 20. She is revising her songs. Her songs is revised by her. Her songs are revised by her. Her songs are being revised by her. So C is the right option. Songs, that is subject now. This is plural और इसके मुताबिक आर आएगा यहाँ पर, और हेल्पिंग वर्ब बीइंग का इस्तेमाल, थर्ड फॉर्म वर्ब, और हर जो है ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो सब्जेक्ट बन गया है.